A very special good morning to all the students. Welcome to my channel Biology Bits. We are looking for the fishery science class 12th and we have already discussed some points from the chapter first, that is aquatic weeds, fish diseases and predators. Okay, so we will just recap it. Okay, we have seen the classification. We have seen the classification of weeds on the basis of, okay, what were the basis we have discussed? On the basis of zone and on the basis of habitat, we have classified the weeds into different categories. Okay, so on the basis of zone, we have categorized the bottom zone vegetation. Number 2, submerged zone vegetation. Number 3, unattached submerged. Okay, unattached submerged zone vegetation. And last one we have seen, that is the surface zone vegetation. Okay, it is the classification on the basis of zones. Means we have already studied, but if there are some layers, okay, suppose it is a layer, okay, it is a water, okay, it is a water. On the zone there will be different zones. So bottom zone vegetation means the weeds which will be located at the bottom of the water, that is called as bottom zone vegetation. Next, submerged vegetation means the plant body will float in the water. Okay, plant body will float in the water, but roots will be deep into the bottom zone, that is called as submerged. After that, unattached submerged zone. Unattached, okay, it is also under the water, submerged, okay, but it is unattached. It is not attached to the surface and not attached to the bottom also. Such zone is called as unattached submerged zone. Okay, and last one, that is the surface zone vegetation. Okay, so those plants or those weeds which will be floating on the surface area are called as a surface zone vegetation. Okay, so this is the classification on the basis of zone. Okay, we have seen the classification on the basis of habitat also, so we will look for that. Okay, classification on the basis of habitat, classification on the basis of habitat. Okay, so what were the classification or what were the groups? So first one we have discussed, that is the floating. We are just looking for the weeds, only consider the weeds. Okay, weeds which are developing in the water bodies. Okay, so on the basis of habitat, weeds are again classified into floating, aquatic weeds, correct. Number 2 was emergent aquatic weeds. Number 3 we have discussed submerged aquatic weeds. Number 4, marginal, yes, it was marginal aquatic weeds. Number 5 was filamentous, yes, filamentous aquatic weeds. And last one was planktonic filamentous weeds. Okay, so we have discussed all that part. Again we will recap it. Okay, so what was the floating? Suppose it is a water body, suppose it is a water body. If we have to discuss, we have to draw some water body. Suppose it is a water body. So floating weeds. What will be the floating aquatic weeds? So those aquatic plants have their leaves freely floating on the water. Have their leaves freely floating on the water. Suppose here is the aquatic weed and the leaves of the aquatic weed will be float on the water. Such are categorized into the floating aquatic weeds. Okay, next one. What was the example word of this? The good example was the azolla. We have already discussed. Azolla is the example. Correct. Next one was the emergent. The weeds which are rooted in the bottom but have all or some of their leaves above the water surface. What? Emergent means floating means तैरने वाले. Okay, emergent means what? Their roots will be in the bottom zone but leaves will be floating on the surface. Such weeds are called as a emergent weeds. Such weeds are called as a emergent weeds. What is the example? Nelumbo means a lotus. Okay, lotus is the best example for such type of weeds. Okay, got it? Thereafter, third one, that is the submerged aquatic weeds. So those aquatic plants always grow below the water surface. They may be rooted or unrooted. What? Submerged aquatic weeds always will grow below the water. Below the water जो weeds develop होंगे, जो unwanted plants develop होंगे, weeds means unwanted plants. Okay, that will grow under the water. Okay, but roots may be dipped. Some may be dipped into the bottom zone or some may be floating. Such weeds are called as submerged aquatic weeds. Submerged aquatic weeds. Okay. After that, what? After that, that is the marginal. According to the name, marginal means at the margin. Okay. So those weeds grow along the margin area or shoreline. Margin area or shoreline. Okay, suppose it is a pond. Okay, here is the water in that pond. Okay, so this is the marginal area or shore means kinara जिसको बोलते हो. Okay, it is a shoreline. Okay, so those weeds which will develop at the margins or shore are called as a marginal aquatic weeds. Clear? After that, the filamentous. Okay, those plants generally in filamentous aquatic weeds, most of the algae is found. Okay, so we can say that those algae which form the algal mats in the marginal areas. Okay, filamentous. Okay, such type of algae means filaments, somewhat thread-like structures will be there. Okay, so such algae will found some mats, means a group of algae at the marginal area, or may swim into the main water body. Means देखो, filamentous means having a thread-like structure and it will group together. To form somewhat mat-like structures. Okay, mat-like structure and it will flow on the water. If you visit some old or ancient lakes, you can find such type of algal beds or algal mats, and such weeds are called as filamentous aquatic weeds. Okay, and last one is the planktonic aquatic weeds. So it consists of small bodies or microscopic algae which dispersed water rapidly and form algal blooms. Very dangerous. It grows very rapidly. It is microscopic, having some small structures, but when it develops very rapidly and it may cover the whole water surface in a fraction of time. एकदम कम समय में it can float over all the water bodies. Okay, so that is The classification of weeds on the basis of zone we have seen, and on the basis of habitat. Okay, we have recapped it. Okay, if you have some conclusion, you can message me or you can call me at any time. The number and as well as the WhatsApp number is also given. Okay, so thank you so much. We will look the next topic in the next lecture, that is the advantages of aquatic weeds in fish culture. Okay, so